Hello, my name is Alexandru Radu. I represent Arggo Consulting, and today I'm going to talk to you about our concept of time as a service. There's a question that keeps showing up in conversations around automation and digitalization. And that question is digitalization taking our jobs away? And to answer that question, we're going to take a look at a study by McKinsey Global Institute that shows that less than 5% of jobs actually consists of activities that can be fully automated. So I would say that our jobs are not at risk by being taken over by, I don't know, some sci-fi robots. Rather, if we take a look at the same study, 60% of jobs could actually be automated for 1/3 of activities. So 1/3 of our activities could be automated. And if we take a look at the same study, most workers see this automation in a positive light. So they're not scared that AI or machine learning or robotic process automation will come and take their jobs away, but they see this as a benefit, as an opportunity for them to increase their productivity. So the main thing that digitalization and automation could bring us is actually reducing wasted time. 40% of those workers spend 1/4 of their work week in repetitive tasks, pushing paper, doing all sorts of repetitive work. And 70% of them say the biggest opportunity of automation actually lies in reducing the time wasted on that repetitive work. So how could we take the opportunity with digitalization? What are those tasks that we could automate? First of all, data collection. So getting data or syncing data into systems can be automated, and this is a huge opportunity with digitalization. Approval workflows, confirmation requests, and so on. So all of this could be automated with digitalization. And updates, automatically requesting status updates and other information is also a huge opportunity. So what we will have is actually more time for valuable activities, for value-added activities. 60% of people estimate they could save more than 6 hours a week. And the question is, what would they do with that time? They would do work that is more valuable to their organizations. They could focus more on interesting and rewarding aspects of their jobs, for example, in creative activities or in planning activities that bring more value to their work. And last but not least, especially in this time, more personal time so they can prevent burnout and remain passionate about their work. So actually improving these activities with the help of digitalization does not take our jobs away, but makes our jobs more interesting and more, let's say, helps us stay more passionate about our work. So we propose time as a service, and let's see how what is actually digitalization and what are those components of digitalization that can help a person or an organization improve their time. Well, first of all, process automation. So a huge element of digitalization these days is process automation, how we can automate processes and workflows to be more efficient. Then OCR, automatic recognition of data from documents, from invoices, for example. RPA, robotic process automation. So those software robots then can help us automate processes by clicking in old applications or in websites for us and helps us automate those workflows. IoT, Internet of Things. So employing sensors in our processes, in our day-to-day processes, to get data from all around the company or wherever that data resides. digital signature to improve the flows of signing documents, and industrial robots for those flows in manufacturing. What we want to focus most from the digitalization perspective is low code. Low code is, let's say, the new way of building business applications. Low code means developing web applications, business applications without requiring you to write any code. So you can create business applications, you can create apps without writing any code, without the need to program. So that is low code, and with the help of low code, we have actually developed a platform for low code development, a platform that is called Timeqode, and that helps integrate all of these, let's say, digitalization assets or aspects that can help improve time. And with the Timeqode platform, we can do exactly that. So let's see what Timeqode can do for you. First of all, as I was saying, Timeqode is a low-code development platform or a business process management platform, which helps you develop applications, web applications, without writing any code along the way. So we can create web applications that are responsive. They can be used on any device, on smartphones, on tablets, or on laptops. And those applications can be integrated with all the other solutions from your company, so that you can create your own specific flow, your own specific business flow that helps you differentiate in this competitive market. So you don't have to know any programming language. You just have to design your workflow, then design your interfaces, your web interfaces, write some business rules, and use the connectors, the integrations that we already have. And so with these pieces of puzzle, you will create your own business application. So this platform can help you improve or create financial process automation. So all of those processes that need to be automated in finance, for example, approvals, purchase requests, expense management, and so on, can help you with digital document management. So let's say can help you become paperless and remove all the papers from your daily workflows, automatic notifications, approval workflows. Of course, it has a responsive design. So as I said, it can be used on any device and can employ OCR for recognition of data from documents. All the benefits that come from using such a platform, from eliminating printing documents, eliminate repetitive tasks, and reduce time to market, all of those benefits actually translate into our central benefit of saving time. So it can be used, first of all, as a platform. So you, as a customer, can use this platform to build your own solutions. You just have to build the business logic. So you can create your workflows, create your business rules, and you will have the business logic securely created. Then you can create the user interfaces. It's a very simple way of creating the user interface, and the user interfaces that are created with the platform don't have any limitations. So you can actually create any type of user interface with the help of the platform. Then you can create the data model. The data model, of course, in the data model, you will be able to create all of the entities specific to your business need. And then you will be able to use the plugins that we have already developed. So integrations with other solutions like ERP solutions, for example, Dynamics 365 from Microsoft, or integrations with SharePoint to securely store your documents in a document management platform, or integrations with, I don't know, Outlook, SQL Server, and so on. So with the help of these pieces of puzzle, you can create your own business application in a low-code development environment. Second of all, we have already created some business applications that help you digitalize some of the, let's say, specific flows in any company. So we have created both horizontal and vertical business solutions. So horizontal solutions, let's say procurement approvals, invoice recognition, business-to-business platform, expense management, or mobile Salesforce automation, but also industry solutions, so vertical solutions for banking, healthcare, legal, or construction. And these are just a few examples. And let's take some of these examples and show you just how the platform and the business solutions that we have created with the platform can help you with digitalization and can help you save time. Invoice recognition. This is a solution that can be used by any company because in today's work environment, we must reduce the manual processing activities and, of course, the costs that are employed by those activities. So you can reduce a lot the printed documents and the time for collecting manual information and eliminate those time-consuming data entry activities with the help of this solution that actually helps you automatically recognize the data from invoices in this case, but it can be used for any type of document, and then push that data in the accounting software system or in the ERP system that you are using. So the system is simple. You just attach an invoice and the system will automatically recognize the data from that invoice and will fill it in. Then you can send the invoice, for example, on an approval workflow. Of course, this workflow will be adjusted to your needs. So you send it on the approval workflow. Somebody can go on the mobile and see the invoice and the information and approve the invoice for payment. And then you can see all the history of approvals and so on. So as I was saying, this is an example with an invoice, but you can apply the same concept to any type of document that you need to be automatically created and then approved in an approval workflow. How do we do this? We actually train a machine learning model. So we use AI, we use our artificial intelligence to train a model with 2 or 3 invoice examples, and I will show you quickly how it's done. So you will upload an invoice and then you will train the model by telling the system, here you can find the invoice number, the value, and so on. So by doing this, you just have to use 2 or 3 invoice examples for each supplier, and the system will learn with the help of AI embedded in the platform, will learn where to find those informations. And after that, you will just upload the invoices and they will be automatically created and uploaded in your ERP solution, for example. Another example that can be used, a business solution built with the Timeqode platform that can be used for, let's say, any company, is that of expense management. So approving expense management for trips, for example. So you can have a fully integrated approval solution for those expenses. You can access the solution from any device and, for example, create the expense request and then attach, for example, the documents. You can just take a picture of your invoice or of your fiscal receipt and attach those documents on the approval flow, so you have the full flow integrated in the system. So it will look like this. This is a dashboard with my approvals. I will create a new approval and just input the data for this approval, like amount, where do I need to go, why do I need the amount for, and then I will just send it for approval. I will be able to see all my flows, all my approvals, the status, I will see the list of approvals, and I will be able to create a new expense, for example, when I turn back from the trip, and attach that expense to the approval. And for the expense, I will be able to attach, for example, a fiscal invoice. I will take a picture with my phone, attach the fiscal invoice to the document, to the expense request, and that's how I have the full information in one single system. And then, of course, create all the other necessary information and send it for approval. And then the documents and the approved expense will be sent, for example, to the ERP solution. So this is a simple way of working with expense management. And I will also give you an information about how much a solution like this could cost. So the solution for expense management can start from €8 per user per month. And all the information are securely stored in Microsoft Azure Cloud. So it's a software as a service model, or as we say, time as a service. Let's take also some examples from industries. For example, this is an example from healthcare, and I'm only showing you this for you to see that you can start from simple flows, approvals, and purchase order approvals or expense management approvals, but you can also go to the next level and build a complete solution for your business. So this is an example from healthcare with patient management, with appointment systems. So you can create your appointments, see your medical file, have all the patient management information in one single solution integrated with your ERP solution, so that you can deliver, let's say, the best customer service to your patients in this case. So this is the example. I can see the calendar. I can create a new appointment for a patient, and then I can see the full patient file with all his information, with, for example, his treatment plan, so what he needs to do, or with his dental status in this case. So I can have all his information and his attached documents, for example, on the same system. So this helps us, or helps the customer actually have a fully integrated view of the customer. Another example is from construction. So we have built a construction sites application that can help businesses become more efficient. They can use the application from their mobile devices from the construction site to create orders, for example, for new materials, or to have consumption reports, or to manage the entire project. They can see all the project structure with the project budget, and they can see all the project steps that they need to do. They have project budget versus actual, and they can see all the activities. They can modify the activities real time, or they can take a look at the resources and see how the resources are filled for example, for this month. So this is another complex solution that we have developed with the help of the Timecode platform. And again, it's another way to see that it's a platform that can help you save time and build your own web applications. Good. So the platform can be used by the customer to build its own applications. We can build the business solutions already, so you can access the business solutions that we have already built, or we can help you with some of our time to build your own tailored solution. Okay, so we can have the standard process of doing the analysis and understanding your requirements, but the difference is that we will have a much more rapid time to market. So we'll be able to create the application much more easier, and we will have it live much more sooner than in the classic programming way, let's say. Good. So the Timecode platform can be accessed, as I said, in a time as a service manner. So the platform can be accessed directly from the Microsoft's cloud. So we have created some packages. They start from 400 euros per month. But of course, we are available for discussions for custom projects. So just contact us and we will find a solution, the best solution for your project. And last but not least, great businesses grow with great partnerships. So the Timecode platform will be available for partners all around the world. So we will have technological partners that will be able to create their own solutions with the help of the platform. Of course, we are open to reseller partners that can sell our platform and our business solutions that we have already created, or referral partners. So we are open to partners so that together we can grow our businesses and, of course, our customers' businesses. Good. So we are Arggo Consulting. First of all, we are a digitalization partner, as I've told you. So we do all the consulting and implementation of business solutions. The process digitalization with our Timecode platform. We are implementing cloud and productivity from Microsoft. And we do all the implementation, development, and support for these solutions. We are also a Microsoft Gold partner for ERP, cloud platform, cloud productivity, and data analytics. We have more than 90 employees in 3 offices in Bucharest, Brașov, and Timișoara. And we have more than 200 customers. Our customers come from different industries, so our team has experience on each industry and can build specific solutions, understanding very well the specifics of those industries. And our vision is to create end-to-end solutions. So we are implementing Dynamics ERP integrated with the Timecode platform. We are hosting our solutions on Microsoft Azure, and we are integrating them with Office 365 and Power BI so that customers can have a full solution end-to-end that can help them digitalize their business and, of course, save time. Thank you very much. You can find us on our email or on our web pages, and I wish you a very pleasant conference. Thank you.